Our next problem is the order and the degree of the differential equation 4 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to d square by dx square is equal to r. Here given differential equation is 4 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to d square y by dx square. So here fractional power is there. First remove the fraction, that is 4 plus dy by dx whole square cubing on both sides. I will get cubing on both sides. Here 3 will cancel. This is equal to d square y by dx square whole cube, cubing on both sides. So here order means here we have this is first order, dy by dx is first order, d square y by dx square is second order. So here order of differential given differential equation is here highest one is 2. Therefore order of the given differential equation is 2. And degree is the power of the highest order derivative. Here highest order derivative is 2, its power is 3. Therefore degree of the differential equation is 3. The order of the differential equation P whose solution is y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c into e power minus x is here given. This is the solution of our differential equation. Here it has three variables. That is a comma b comma c, or three constants. We call them as three arbitrary constants. Therefore the order of de will be de is equal to 3. If it has two constants, order will be 2, like that. So here it has three arbitrary constants. Therefore its order of differential equation is 3. Direct. Find the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Here given y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Here it has two arbitrary constants a comma b, two arbitrary constants. So we need to differentiate twice. Now differentiating with respect to x, we have y1 is equal to a cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus b into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Again differentiate with respect to x, derivative of y1 is y double one, or second derivative, or y double dash, we can say also y double dash, anything is right. A into derivative of cos is minus sin x, plus b into derivative of minus sin x is minus cos x. You take minus common, this is a sin x plus b cos x. So observe here, this is same as y, a sin x plus b cos x is equal to y. Therefore y double dash is equal to minus y double dash plus y is equal to 0. So this is equal to y double dash means second derivative, that is d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0 is the differential equation of given equation. Find the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to a into e power mx, b into e power minus mx. Here arbitrary constants are a comma b are given in the question. Here given y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power minus mx. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Y dash is equal to a into e power mx into m plus b into e power minus mx into minus m. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Derivative of y dash is y double dash is equal to a into e power mx into m square, b into e power minus mx into minus m into minus m, that is again m square. So take m square common, that is a into e power mx plus b into e power minus mx. This is again over here, that is the same as y. So that is equal to m square into y. Y double dash is equal to m square y. Y double dash minus m square y is equal to 0. That is our differential equation. Or y double dash means d square y by dx square minus m square y is equal to 0 is our differential equation. Find the differential equation of curves represented by equation x square y is equal to a is here given curve is x square y is equal to a. Here we have one arbitrary constant, so differentiate one time with respect to x on both sides. So here product rule, apply product rule. X square into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is 2x is equal to, here a is constant, therefore its derivative is 0. So now take x square common, dy by dx plus 2xy by x square is equal to 0. That is dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to 0 is the differential equation of the given curves. Our next problem is y is equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. Then find the differential equation. Y is equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. Here two arbitrary constants are there, we need to differentiate twice. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y is y dash is equal to a into derivative of x power n plus 1 is n plus 1 into x power n plus this is b into derivative of x power minus n is minus n into derivative x power minus n minus 1. Okay. Now differentiate again with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y dash is y double dash. This is a into derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 plus b into this is minus n into its derivative is minus n minus 1 x power minus n minus 2. So here multiply by x square, multiply by x square y double dash is equal to this is a into n plus 1. So this is x power n minus 1, we multiplied by x square, so it will be plus 2. This is minus into minus plus b into n plus 1, x power minus n minus 2 plus 2. Here we can take n into n plus 1 common. This is again a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. 2 gets cancelled. So observe here, that is again y. Y is equal to a into x power n plus 1, b into x power minus n. So that is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. X square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 y is the differential equation of the given. Find the differential equation of y is equal to sec of tan inverse x. Here given y is equal to sec of tan inverse x, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to, so derivative is sec of tan inverse x, tan of tan inverse x into derivative of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Dy by dx is equal to sec of tan inverse x is y, tan of tan inverse x is, we can write it as under root of secant square tan inverse of x minus 1. This is 1 plus x square. That is equal to dy by dx is equal to y into, this is again root of y square minus 1 by 1 plus x square is the our differential equation. Our next problem is find the differential equation of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to c. So here let us take alpha is equal to sin inverse x implies sin alpha is equal to x, beta is equal to sin inverse y, sin beta is equal to y. Now given equation is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to c, that is alpha plus beta is equal to c. Now apply, so let us apply sin of alpha plus beta is equal to sin c. This is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta is equal to sin c. This is sin alpha is x, cos beta is root of 1 minus y square, cos alpha is root of 1 minus x square, sin beta is y, that is equal to sin c. We don't need to do all this actually, you can directly differentiate the given equation. Here sin inverse of x derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, sin inverse of y derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx, that is equal to derivative of c is 0 since it is a constant, implies dy by dx is equal to minus root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square. find the solution of differential equation sin inverse of dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Sin inverse of dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Here dy by dx is equal to sin of x plus y. Let x plus y is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx implies dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. Substitute here dt by dx minus 1. Let this be 1. Now 1 implies dt by dx minus 1 is equal to sin t. dt by dx is equal to 1 plus sin t. Now dt by 1 plus sin t is equal to dx. Now integrating on both sides, dt by 1 plus sin t is equal to integral dx. This is equal to, here multiply and divide by 1 minus sin t is 1 minus sin square t dt is equal to integral dx. So this is 1 minus sin square t is cos square t dt is equal to dx. This is integral sec square t minus sec t tan t dt is equal to integral dx. That is integral sec square t minus sec t tan t dt is equal to integral dx. Integration of secant square is tan t. Integral of sec t tan t is sec t is equal to integral dx is x plus c. Now t is equal to x plus y. Substitute it. Tan of x plus y minus secant of x plus y is equal to x plus c is the solution of our given differential equation. Our next problem is find the solution of differential equation x square minus yx square dy by dx plus y square plus xy square is equal to 0. Here given x square minus yx square into dy by dx plus y square plus xy square is equal to 0. I take x square common, x square into 1 minus y into dy by dx. Here take y square common, y square into 1 plus x is equal to 0. Now separate variable separable. 1 minus y by y square dy plus 1 plus x by x square dx is equal to 0. Integrating, first this is 1 by y square minus 1 by y dy. This is 1 by x square plus this is x by x square is 1 by x dx is equal to 0. Now integrating, integral 1 by y square minus 1 by y dy plus integral 1 by x square plus 1 by x dx is equal to 0. Integral 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. Integral 1 by y is log y. Integral 1 by x is minus 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is log x plus c is equal to 0. This is log of x by y. This is minus 1 by y minus 1 by x plus c is equal to 0 is the solution of given differential equation. Our next problem is find the solution of differential equation dy by dx is equal to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y is here given. Dy by dx is equal to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Here let x plus y is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx implies dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. So let this be 1. Now 1 implies dt by dx minus 1. dy by dx is dt by dx minus 1 is equal to sin t plus cos t. dt by dx is equal to 1 plus sin t plus cos t. Now variable separable. Dt by 1 plus sin t plus cos t is equal to dx. This is dt by 1 plus cos t is 2 cos square t by 2, sin t is 2 sin t by 2, cos t by 2 is equal to dx. This is dt by 2 cos square t by 2 common. This is 1 plus tan t by 2 is equal to dx. This is 1 by 2 secant square t by 2 by 1 plus tan t by 2 dt is equal to dx. Now integrate on both sides. That is equal to integral 1 by 2 secant square t by 2 by 1 plus tan t by 2 dt is equal to integral dx. So 1 plus tan t by 2 derivative is 1 by 2 secant square t by 2. Therefore that is equal to log of 1 plus tan t by 2 is equal to x plus c is the. Now substitute t is equal to x plus y, and log of 1 plus tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus c is the solution of the given differential equation.